Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix subtitles on Crunchyroll. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in this page, you're gonna find some suggested animes. If you go to my list, right here you're gonna find your saved episodes. So we're gonna find the watch list, your Crunchy list, your history, and lastly offline mode if you have premium subscription. Right here in browse, you can browse for some animes in this list. In simulcast, you're gonna find some simulcast season animes. And lastly, there is the account section. Right here in this section, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your Crunchyroll account. So from here, go ahead and scroll down until you find preferences. Right here under preferences, you're gonna find audio languages, and under it you're gonna find subtitles and or CC language, and lastly show closed caption. So if you guys want to fix subtitles on Crunchyroll, there is a way is by clicking subtitles and then selecting none to turn it off, and then go back, click again on subtitles, and then select the language that you want, for example, English. And then once you do that, you can also select your audio language from here. Once you finish, go back and try again and see if your subtitles are fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.